Stuck with Gamma AI in a language you just can't read? Maybe it defaulted to something unexpected, or a shared link switched things up on you. Either way, staring at a foreign interface is frustrating. But here's the good news. I am going to show you exactly where to change it, and it only takes about a minute. Seriously, by the time we're done here, you will be navigating Gamma in your preferred language with zero confusion. So here's the plan. First, we click on your profile icon. Then we find the language dropdown. After that, we'll pick your language and save it. Let's get into it. All right, let's start right at the very beginning. You're probably looking at your dashboard or a document, and everything is in a language you don't understand. Don't panic. Look up to the top right corner of your screen. See that small circle or avatar? That's your profile icon. It might show your initials or a little picture. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with a few different options. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky because your menu is in that foreign language too. But trust me, the layout is almost always the same. You're going to look for a section that has to do with settings or your account. It might be near the bottom of that list. We're looking for a specific entry here, so let's move to the next step. So now that you've got that profile menu open, we need to find the language option. Inside this dropdown, you should see a line that says something like English with a little flag icon next to it. In your case, it might say whatever the current language is now. Click on that. This will open a submenu or a separate window. And here's the really important part. Don't just change the language of the current document. You want to change the entire account language so it sticks permanently. So look in this submenu for the option that says something very specific. It will usually say account language or preferred language. In some layouts, it might just be called language. Click on that specific option. Now you will see a list of available languages. It's usually a long, scrollable list. Take your time and scroll through until you find the one you need. Click on it to select it. A common pitfall here is that people click on the language for the presentation itself, but that only changes the text inside your slides. You want the account language. That is the one that changes all the buttons, the menus, the help text, everything. That is the setting that actually makes the whole site feel like it's built for you. All right, you've picked your language. Now, literally your last step is to make it stick. Look for a button that says Save. Sometimes it's in a blue box in the bottom right corner, or it might say Confirm or Apply. Just click it. And that is it. The interface might flash or reload for a second. That is completely normal. Give it just a moment to process. Now, if you look around, everything should be in the language you selected. Those frustrating, confusing menus? Now they make sense. And the next time you log in, it will remember your choice. So there you go. From being totally lost in a foreign interface to confidently clicking around in the language you actually want. It's one of those simple fixes that makes a huge difference in your workflow. Hopefully this walkthrough saved you a lot of time and frustration. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.